Good afternoon. We are extremely pleased that you are here. It is good to come together for the purpose of taking thought beyond what it has been before, for further clarification. You're a strong, contributing group. So much going on here. You're ready. New thoughts, new motion forward, certainly more momentum, some soothing of resistance. It's going to be a good day. Settle down. Expect good things for yourself from this day. Expect good things for yourself from this day, and for all that is as well. We're not testing your patience. We're taking your vibrational temperature, and we pronounce you healthy. Small levels of anxiety, a lot of greed, we like that.